Hello viewers, welcome to another new video of Your Learner Tutor. I hope you're all good. Today we will be solving a problem related to matrix, mainly matrix and transformation mixed problem. Let us read the question first. It says, quadrilateral A is transformed to quadrilateral B under the reflection y equal to minus x. And then the quadrilateral B is transformed to quadrilateral C under matrix this. Quadrilateral C is the image of A under matrix N, find N. If you read like this, the question is very confusing. No pictures are given, no particular other than this matrix, nothing else is given. So you might be a bit confused in this, but if you do it step by step, it's going to be easier. Always try to remember this is the basic vector matrix. Now if you want to convert this matrix with y equal to minus x, this matrix will become, for y equal to minus x reflection, what happens? Coordinates will interchange and the signs will be changed. Now 1 0 will become minus 0 minus 1, but minus 0 and positive 0 are the same thing. So I'm not putting a minus in front of 0, and here it will be minus 1 0. So this basically is based on this y equal to minus x reflection. This vector becomes this vector, and if you multiply this vector with A, then you will get B. That is the first information given. Please try to write the vector first and then the matrix. Don't write A into this one vector matrix. Let's say don't write this is going to be wrong, because number of rows, number of columns here has to be equal to number of rows here. Most cases the number of rows of a matrix, given matrix, is 2, but here the number of columns are 2. So this is the basic way to write whenever you are multiplying vector matrix with another matrix. Now the second point says quadrilateral B is transferred to quadrilateral C under this matrix. Now same way I will write the matrix first. 4 minus 2 1 3. This one times B will give me C. That is according to the second point. Now let's say I am trying to figure out how can I get an idea, get a relation between A and C. The third point says quadrilateral C is the image of quadrilateral A under N. Now here what can I do? Let me put the value of B. The value of B is this one. Now let's say 4 1 minus 2 3, this one into this matrix into A will be C, right? Now let's see, according to this point here, quadrilateral C is the image of quadrilateral A under transformation N, which means N times A will give me C. This is what this point says, which means this N here is actually the value of all of it. So we can write N equals to 4 1 minus 2 3 and 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. If you multiply these two, you will get the desired answer. And please remember, the way it is written, exactly write like this. Don't write this one first and that one second. Then for matrix multiplication, the whole value will be changed. So what happens? 4 times 0 is 0, minus 2 times minus 1 is 2, and 1 times 0 is 0, plus 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. And here 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, plus minus 2 times 0 is 0, Similarly, this row into column, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, 3 times 0 is 0. So ultimately you will have a matrix of 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, and that is your final value of n. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please stay with the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.